Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. A while since I vlogged. Since I came back from vacation, I haven't vlogged, like literally. This is the first time I actually picked up the camera. So yeah, but I want to start this video. I mean, I have vlogged me doing minor things but nothing like hectic. So it is currently, let me check the dates because you know me. So it's currently the 1st of May, new month. It's the 1st of May and it's 2:47 and today is my older sister's birthday. So I decided to film because like her friends are going to be coming over. Oh, she got a car, that's what she wanted, and you know she's gonna like, you know, we're gonna chill at home, take some pictures. Her friends are coming over, we're gonna have cake, we're gonna chill, do fun activities, things like that. So, and the might swim, so we'll see about that. But I haven't vlogged in a while, so I was like, why not? Plus like I'm gonna be busy because also my friend is having a birthday party like on the 10th, so I'm also going to include that in this vlog. So yeah guys, I think this is gonna be a series, a winter diary series. So yeah, I've a lot of things planned. Also I got a new Stanley. Also I got a Stanley cup, guys, this purple one. I love it, it's so cute. Y'all know I've had this one for long. I've had it since 2023, so honestly it was time for a new. So now I have the new and improved Stanley. Ooh, and it's purple. I'm gonna take you guys with me through this you know, I don't know what I'm gonna call this vlog, but this is like the first vlog since I got back from school holidays. I'm also gonna do my hair soon, so I have a lot to film, and hence why I wanna start it now, because I am currently still working on Thailand part 2 or episode 2. So after I drop episode 2, then I can just go back to me posting my normal life, you know. But I have a lot to do, and also soon gonna exam prep. So I don't know if I'll do, I think I should do one because y'all loved the last one I did. So definitely gonna do that on a different vlog, because I did buy some stuff but I don't show you guys on this vlog. But yeah, that's like the plans of today. So I just got dressed. I'm not gonna really show you guys my outfit because this is like similar to what I'm gonna wear soon, so I'm not gonna show you guys everything, but it's nothing hectic. I'm just gonna give you guys like a cute montage of whatever I vlog. And yeah, I just wanted to like open the vlog and talk to you guys. It's been a while since I vlogged anything, what I've done. Like even when I go out I don't vlog, you know. I've just been chilling, so I need to start vlogging because I know once I start exams you guys are not getting videos from me. And also since my sister is getting since she got a new car, I'm gonna have the car she had before she got a new car, which is a Haval. So I'll be having that car, and it's gonna the number plate is gonna be my name. And I do know how to drive a bit. I do know the basics of driving, but I still need to learn. So I'm prioritizing that this year, learning how to drive. So especially like the coming holidays, I think you guys are going to see a lot of driving with me and all that, or I'm going to include that in my vlogs and stuff. And like next year I'll be 18, so hopefully I'll be able to get my driver's license and, you know, drive around. So I'm so happy, guys, we're going together. But anyways, I'm gonna talk to you guys a bit later. Guys, I'm in my sister's new car. It is so nice. She needs to turn it on so I can show you. Oh, so cute. My word, guys, let me show you this. Guys, this car uses voice. Like you say, this car is just so nice. Like everything is so nice, so spacious. Whoa, this car is so beautiful. Down. 6K a month, stay downtown, man. Girl, I wish I could save you. I wish I could save you. The boy told me for Spider-Man. Nah, guys, yo, my sister is such a nice. This car's so nice. You can even do TikTok. So guys, we're going to tailor my pants right now. So guys, tailor my pants because it's too tight. Like, guys, I went to go tailor it because it was too big on my waist, and then now it's too tight because show you guys. We just ordered food. I ordered a burger, and I think this is like a daiquiri Sunday sunset. So we just got in here, and like it really looks nice. Just and stuff. Really like behind there's a bar and whatnot. But like it's currently 2 something, and I have to get ready around 4. But like this place is so nice. I took a few flicks. So
black shoes, you know, look like loafers, but they're not loafers, you know, happy socks,
tie,
black two-piece, you know,
tie,
holding a bit of silver.
Okay guys, so this is the outfit of the day because I didn't get to be with you guys. So I'm in these shades and I have ponytail, this top, my chain, this cute blazer and my black jeans, my heels and the toes I just did 5 minutes before I left the house. Yeah. Oh wow! So yeah, guys, we're in the bathroom. We're gonna eat soon. We're looking cute, guys. The theme was black, so of course. Oh, busy lah. Oh, busy. Where were you? weeks. I'm about to eat. Yes, it's about to eat. But yeah, basically that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna take a group photo because I just posted on Instagram. Guys, oh yeah, I think that's mine. Thank you. Got my food. I'm so happy about to eat. Say it, bro.
It's a TikTok.